Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to change your settings like contact information on Amazon Associates. So let's get started. Go up here to your email, press on it and go to account settings. Now when you're here you have all of these options. For example, let's change our contact information. As you can see, here is my information, and everything you see here, you can change your phone number, your country, your postal code, your city, well, everything. After you have done that, save changes, and you should be good to go. You can also change your payment method here. If you have messed something up, you can just change it. I have not set up my payment method, that's why you don't see anything here. And you can also view your payment history. And as you can see, nobody has bought anything, so there's no history for me. Anyhow guys, I hope this short video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.